everyone, and how is it going? I hope your day is treating you right. Chris here at Trade, bringing you 4 areas off of my charts that I'm going to be watching and why. Let's take a look at these key levels on crude oil, light sweet crude oil, sweet like me. Let's take a look and go down 2 lines and take a look at 81.80, which is where we are currently finding a bit of resistance. We have pushed above a tad, but we are yet to maintain solid trading activity above it at the time of this video. It was a very important area of resistance that once broken in the past, if you look a bit to the left, led to a very powerful bullish run. Now, if we continue marching upwards, I have 84.80 marked off. It's a higher area of resistance, a point of control that was used both as important support to launch upwards, really more like teleport upwards off of it not too long back in the past. And down below where price is trading, we have 2 levels marked off. One is 79 flat, beautiful psychological area where there was a lot of action, and then a little bit lower than that, we have 77.40, a lower area of support that the market seems to reach out to and then reject away from. Good luck, happy trading, I'll see you all very soon.